In this video, we are going to look on how to monetize your Reels on Instagram. First, open up your Instagram account and tap on your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on Switch Account Type and switch your account to a business account. Tap on Switch. Once you switch your account to a business account, you need to tap on Business Tools and Controls. Then tap here on Monetization Status to check whether you're able to monetize or no. As you can see, I'm able to monetize. So to just check whether you can monetize your content, you can check from here. You can view your ad payments from here. So just tap on Ad Payments. Tap on Billing and Payments. And you can see all the payment info from here. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.